So I'm making quite a lot because I want to get it all in one swoop, and I can always use whatever's left to create another mix. I'm actually going to, I think that's too much, I'm going to add some white. Wow, like making cake. Don't know what came over me there. Gonna have to use it up with another mix. Pretty sharpish. Anyway, actually it's showing you the texture of the paint and how it holds its shape astonishingly. Oh, look at that, like a mountain. Not very much water, just a splosh or two from the brushes. You can always add more. Let's see what we're getting here. Like making bechamel sauce, you've got to get all those lumps out. Mix it all in very well. Hitting the camera now. Speed that bit up. And a bit more paint. It's getting there. That's can afford to be slightly wetter than that, but I'm not going to overdo it because it's easier to add water than to remove it. Okay, so that's sort of quite creamy. Actually, now you're going to have to poke into these little folds and things so you get every last bit. Just a single stroke across there. Not a single stroke, a few little strokes just to get it covered. I like to do the sides first because then you can sort of pick up drips and not quite so critical as the top. Whereas if you do after you've done the top, then you're going to get bits that you can't smooth in so easily. This is where it gets fiddly, is when you start getting to the last side. And see, it's not all that thick, it's just covering it. And the board side, I'll try and get the light on it this time, a bit better. Nice even strokes, with overlapping the next one, but actually I'm just going to cover it quick and then smooth it off afterwards. Oh, wow, I've got lots of paint. I have to make good use of that. Yeah, by adding that yellow it did put a bit of, took it away from being quite so earthy. Whether that's a good thing or not, I'll find out when I try to paint it. But anyway, there we go. Now we've got strokes and things all over it, so I'm actually going to just take it across gently in the same direction, possibly with a bigger brush. That might be an idea. Yeah. And of course, the bigger the canvas, the larger the brush you want to be using. So that's going to still show the canvas texture through, which is nice if that's what you like. I'm just going to go one more time because I've got more control that way somehow. But that's spread it. Very gentle strokes. This is really just stroking it. Quick pick up of any drips that might be around the edge. There.